Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to embed video and text using CapCut PC. Let's walk through the process using these two videos as examples. Start by adding the first video to the timeline. Next, navigate to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Adjust the duration to match the video. Enter your desired text and customize the text style. Change the text color to green. Moving on, go to the text animation and apply the wipe right animation. Adjust the animation duration to 1 second. At the 1 second mark, go to Text Basics, add a rotate keyframe. Move the playhead to the 4 second mark. And rotate the text. Select both the text and video, right-click to create a compound clip. Drag and drop the second video below the compound clip. Click on the compound clip. Go to Video Remove BG. Click on Chroma key. Use the Color Picker tool to select green and remove the green from the text. Move the playhead to the 1 second mark. Add a scale keyframe. Move the playhead to the 2 second mark. Adjust the scale to 200%. Move the playhead to the 3 second mark. Adjust the scale to 500%. Add transform keyframe. Move the playhead to the 4 second mark. Adjust the scale to 5000%. And move the position as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.